Hi, I'm Marina. I'm interior designer and I work with David on this project in Lakewood for bathroom remodeling. At the beginning, they were thinking of doing an addition, but eventually we were thinking of financially what will be more budget friendly. So we decided to do one bathroom to convert it into two bathrooms. The most important thing for Darlene was to have the ability to get inside and out easily because she used a walker. We made the opening larger, 36 inches wide for ADA compliance. The clients, their dream was to have a very modern bathroom. They wanted the look of a hotel room. So the tiles that we chose were basically very monochromatic. It's more white and blacks and grays. Wall mount vanity that won't be on the floor, so we'll have more floor space and it will give us the feeling of a bigger space. Also, we chose showers that will be all clear glass. It will give us also the feeling of a bigger shower. We chose to do a curbless shower. First of all, it will be easier for the clients to use it, and second of all, it will give us a sense of space. It was one of my best journeys with my clients. They were amazing, Christopher and Darlene. Very easygoing. They basically said, Marina, whatever you want to do, we are going with you. Now they are very, very pleased with the results. Every time I call them, they say they are very happy with their bathroom. They are enjoying it. They're happy with the bathroom and they're enjoying it. So we basically achieved what we wanted. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next project.